Hold on, now you know I'm gonna need one too, though. You know, yeah, I'll take one too. Yeah. I didn't know that was an option. I'm over here I'm struggling for one of myself. Thank you, appreciate you. Yeah. You heard of me, Look, I see temptation. Come on now. Yeah, this how we do it, y'all. Let me see. Alright, so we got this. They just gave me this box. Let's see what size this shirt. Hey, who need an XL? Hey, I got an XL. I can't take this one. Alright, what else we got in here? We also got a bottle. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, we got Crumbl Water. There is the grand opening. All right, y'all, so make sure y'all come through on the 15th. That's when they open up on Friday. And I'm not sure what this is, but we'll figure it out soon. Let me see if... What's going on? Vlog on vlog? Yeah, right here. Yes, it is. Vlog on vlog. You guys have a medium? A medium? Yeah. We are parents. We're out of medium. Yeah. I'm sorry, yeah. You got like a small. I might be able to do a small just look better. What size is it? It's an extra large. It don't matter. Sorry about that. That's all good. You got me.
All right, what's in the bag first?
In the bag. All right. Oh, she's clearly not paying attention. Anyways,
no, I wasn't.
In the bag. Just gonna go back to that. In the bag is a shirt, and they just gave me that pink box. I don't know what this pink thing is. I don't know what this is. This is something. You put this on your head for when you pretend to cook. And then they got some Crumbl Water.
You know, the freshest chef.
Does this water like taste sweet or something?
I don't know. I think it's just water.
I don't know. And then they got the last thing in here, letting you know when the grand opening is on the 15th. You hear me? Make sure y'all tap in her below too, her YouTube. I know what, you already know. She's going crazy though. She's doing like a whole week's worth of YouTube. She's better than me. I'm doing something quick.
Why are you telling me what I'm doing?
Because by this time it's already gonna be out. Let me see if they got. I need a size.
Are you looking for your size?
Definitely. Definitely. XL. They did me dirty. No. Large. I might have to go with the large. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to. I might have to trap it out with the large.
Outside of that, we want to do, I'm ready to get back there with it. Let's
device here that's made.
Thank you, boss. Yeah, thank you, boss.
Yep. Anybody else need another cookie?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah. All right, so in this box we got, they said this is, I don't remember, they said it was like a chocolate, something chocolate, like semi-sweet.
Yeah, it has sea salt on it too.
I wrote it down, so I'm gonna put it exactly in the blog.
Oh,
So,
can you text me?
Churro, yeah, I'm gonna send it to you. Peanut
My
butter.
gonna say Oreo.
This one Oreo, but it's like, you know, they got different names for it, so I'll definitely make
and I
sure
was
to
gonna put Oreo. Ask for the Oreo jar.
Oreo something, yeah. So I'm gonna make sure to put the official names in here too as well for y'all, but let me try it out real quick so I can let y'all know what it's hitting on. My sweet. do like that one. Try
That's all my favorite.
the Churro one.
It's like a smoothie. It's like a Snickers smoothie.
I like the cookie and what's on top too. I'm not a big peanut butter fan, but let me see what this shit on now. I can't come here and not try it. I like that. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like that. I'm only taking small pieces because I want to take it home. Some other ones have it, but I'm just trying little pieces. I'm not a huge peanut butter fan, but I do like that. Let's try. Last one, this should be Oreo. So let me make sure I'm getting some of the frosting too. I like this too. All of these are hits. I do like this, I'm not gonna lie. I enjoy all of these. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter. I did enjoy that as well. But it's good. Make sure y'all come to Crumble Cookie. Alright, y'all. Well, got my merch, got my food, I'm out.